So for many years, my mother was a pediatrician, a local pediatrician. And seeing how hard she and her colleagues worked gave me a special appreciation. What am I doing? Am I doing it to mess it up?
No, go ahead. Just go ahead.
It gave me a special appreciation for the amazing work that caregivers do. So as City Council President, I was proud to introduce the resolution supporting healthcare workers and the Heart of Baltimore campaign. So I'm pleased that our friends in Baltimore County passed a similar resolution endorsing free and fair union elections for every single healthcare worker. Clearly, our friends in Baltimore County also understand the value of your work and your right to have your voice heard. Every worker deserves a voice on the job, especially healthcare workers. When healthcare workers have a voice, then they can speak up not just for themselves, but for their patients. You can ensure that every patient is getting great care. However, the one sad irony is that many workers providing care cannot afford care for themselves or their families. You work hard for a living, but you're not making a living. Because healthcare is now Baltimore's biggest industry, this fact is hurting our entire city. That's why the Heart of Baltimore campaign is so important, and I thank each and every one of you for being here today. So it's not just about improving the lives of healthcare workers, but it is about strengthening the economy for our entire city. When every healthcare job is a good one, we will improve health of neighborhoods across our city. When healthcare workers have a voice, we all win. So it is my honor to be here to lend my support to your campaign. Thank you so much. And thank you. You must be doing something right because you're keeping the rain away. Knock on wood. So have a great time. Thank you so much. God bless.